Welcome to IMQ IVFC Math Quiz. There will be 25 items to test your skills on the subject matter. Don't forget to answer on the comment section below. In your answer sheet, take note of the video ID. Here are the questions. Number 1.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 2.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 3.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 4.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 5.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 6.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 7.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 8.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 9.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 10.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 11.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 12.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 13.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 14.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 15.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 16.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 17.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 18.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 19.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 20.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 21.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 22.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 23.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 24.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Number 25.
Reduce the following fraction in its lowest term.
Congratulations! Please don't forget to share this video to other Filipino children. This is free and this is my advocacy.